How much money will I get to keep when I sell my home? Too many people oversimplify this estimate and they end up disappointed. Figuring out how much money your home is worth and how much you'll get to keep from the sale is more than just about subtracting the remaining mortgage loan amount from the sales price. Many homeowners have unrealistic expectations because they don't know how to calculate their home's value or the net proceeds. We all know there are lots of home valuation tools online that you can use for an estimate of what your home's worth, what the value is, and maybe even what you'll net from the sale. Talking to your real estate agent is the best way to get accurate data. We have the MLS, we have different tools, and we're not just a robot out there guessing what sort of improvements you've made on your home. So when I walk through your home, we will get an accurate estimate of what the home's current value is. We'll talk about realistic standards to get it sold quickly in this market. And we'll talk about the tools so you can understand what you're going to net from the proceeds of your sale. Happy holidays. I'll talk with you guys soon.